When it comes to accurate and reliable surveying services in Noida Sector 50, DGPSSurveyors is the go-to company. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, they have established themselves as the leading surveyors in the area. Whether it's land surveying, construction layout, or mapping services, DGPSSurveyors has the knowledge and experience to deliver precise and efficient results. Their team of highly skilled professionals are equipped with the latest DGPSTechnology, allowing them to accurately measure and record data for any project. One of the key services provided by DGPSSurveyors in Noida Sector 50 is Scon design. Scon design refers to the process of designing and implementing sconces, which are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures. These fixtures not only serve as a source of light but also add aesthetic value to any space. DGPSSurveyors understands the importance of good Scon design in enhancing the overall ambience and appearance of a building or room. They work closely with clients to understand their preferences and requirements, and then create customized Scon designs that align with their vision. The team at DGPSSurveyors is well-versed in the latest trends and techniques in Scon design. They stay updated with the newest materials, styles, and finishes to ensure that their clients receive cutting-edge designs that are both functional and visually appealing. Whether it's a modern, minimalist design or a more traditional and ornate style, DGPSSurveyors has the expertise to bring any Scon design idea to life. What sets DGPSSurveyors apart from other surveying companies in Noida Sector 50 is their commitment to accuracy and attention to detail. They understand that even the smallest error in measurements can have significant consequences for a project. That's why they employ advanced DGPStechnology that allows for precise measurements, ensuring that every detail is captured accurately. DGPSSurveyors is the go-to business for precise and trustworthy surveying services in Noida Sector 50. They have established themselves as the top surveyors in the area thanks to their knowledge and cutting-edge tools. With knowledge and experience in land surveying, construction planning, and mapping services, DGPSSurveyors can produce accurate and effective outcomes. With the most recent DGPStechnology at their disposal, their team of highly qualified experts can precisely measure and record data for any project. Scon design is one of the main services offered by DGPSSurveyors in Noida Sector 50. Sconces are decorative wall-mounted lighting fixtures, hence the term Scon design relates to the process of designing and putting them into use. These lights not only provide light but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of any area. DGPSSurveyors is aware of how important effective Scon design is in enhancing the atmosphere and appearance of a space. They collaborate extensively with clients to comprehend their preferences and needs before creating unique Scon designs that reflect their vision. The staff at DGPSSurveyors is knowledgeable about the most recent trends and methods for Scon design. In order to deliver cutting-edge designs that are both useful and aesthetically pleasing to their clients, they keep up with the most recent materials, styles, and finishes. Whether it's a more classic and elaborate design or